On the national conference, elder statesman Professor Ben Nwabueze believes the conference can only transform the country if it is supported by a legal framework. And this was made known when he was interviewed by journalists after a courtesy visit to the government house, Umuahia, the Abia State capital. He also believes the type of conference going on now is not what he was expecting, but it can still be better if an executive bill is submitted to the National Assembly.
I led the agitation for a national conference because I was convinced, and still am, that a national conference is what we need to transform our country into a new, better, and united country. I sincerely believe this. But the type of national conference that can do this is one I set out. The nature of that kind of conference in a number of write-ups. Now, the most important being that it has to be a national conference that has some legal basis, some legal framework, that has the competence to take legally binding decisions that will bind you, bind me, bind everybody else in the country, especially the competence to adopt a constitution for this country. A constitution that will be the supreme law. That's what the constitution is, the supreme law of the land. That's the kind of conference that we had envisaged. That's not the kind of conference that is going on. But I said in a recent statement that I do not think that all is lost. That's what I said. I said that I think that the conference can still be salvaged.